tired of those tote bags with gaps at the zipper? I used to worry about losing stuff every time I travel. So I designed a tote bag with a better zipper closure. Zip it up and nothing falls out. The best part, it folds flat, perfect to keep in your rollerboard for all your travel needs. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make the mini version of my tote bag. So grab the pattern from my Etsy shop. The link is down below in the description. Grab some fabric of your choice, and if you don't have fabric, don't worry about it. You can grab the whole kit from my Etsy shop, and the link is down below in the description. The kit will have everything you need to make the cutest mini tote travel bag. So let's get started. To start, we'll prepare the straps. Place the middle of the straps with the middle of the cover. Fold the cover and then fold the strap and top stitch. Now let's prepare the pockets by sewing the labels on it. I chose to overlock around the pocket, fold it to look nicer, and now sew to the lining. Give a tack at the end. Now we'll attach the bottom piece on the outside of the shell. This is optional, but it does give a nice touch to the bag. Iron to prepare the edges for top stitching. Pay attention to the placement of the piece. Now give it a nice top stitch. Now let's prepare the top pieces, where we'll attach the zipper and the straps. Take your pattern and mark where the straps are going to be placed. You should have notches there. Make sure the seams of your cushion stays to the zipper side. Place your straps, pin it, and if you have a little tag, place it next to the strap. We're gonna sew the straps to the part and reinforce it. Now we're gonna top stitch that part to the bag. Now it's time to attach the zipper. The zipper itself has a line. Follow that line to sew it onto the fabric. Now we will sew the lining on. You should have 2 parts for the lining, one for each side of the zipper. Now we top stitch the shell on top of the zipper. Make sure the lining is below the top stitch on the bottom. Put your fingers through as you sew to make sure the lining is folding correctly on the bottom. The lining should have no stitches. It should be nice and clean. Now join the sides, shell with shell and lining with lining. I reinforce the stitches on the shell to make the bag stronger. And I overlock the lining. Now we iron the sides to make a beautiful stitch. Turn the whole thing inside out. These are a corner. We're gonna finish that later. Now you join lining to lining without the shell. And I overlock that together, and now I'm gonna cover with gauze grain. There it is, a nice clean look to the inside. Now we're gonna work on the bottom corners. Now bring the shell to the surface. We're gonna sew shell and lining together. Pin them in place. The baseline there, it's that bottom piece that we sew on the outside. That's gonna give exactly where we're going to stitch. That piece, it's gonna be within our stitch, a corner stitch, to make a nice clean look on the outside. After we stitch that, we cover with gauze grain. And we have a beautiful interior. and nice, beautiful corners. Now let's work on the top corners where the zipper is attached to it. Now is the time to insert a zipper pull. Make sure the direction of the pull is correct. If you add the bag on the right side, the zipper pull should zip into your arm. Gotta jiggle that a little bit, and voila! Now, the corners. Turn that corner inside out. And again, the outside pieces are going to be the guide for a stitch. The second line I made, it's already deducted in the pattern. Now let's make the D-rings attachment for the corners. This is where we can attach the extra strap, the shoulder strap. Fold it nicely and top stitch, both sides. Cut in half and use each half for each D-ring. Now we place the D-ring attachment, fold the edges, and as you can see, that top part where the second line is, it's already removed. It's been removed on the pattern. After we stitch the whole thing together and reinforced, we cover with grosgrain grain and top stitch. Turn it outside, and voila, that's a nice, beautiful corner. These rings also work great for zipping up the bag. And voila, a bag is complete. I hope you really enjoyed this project. Keep in mind, this is a great one to repurpose those old jeans and old coats. Those are great fabrics to make bags with. And if you have any comments or any idea for future tutorials, leave me a comment down below. And if you have not done yet, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And if this project helped you in some way, give me a thumbs up so it will help me. And I see you next time.